Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Tie hair back and wash hands to keep tools sterile. Start with an oil-based makeup remover, then a gentle foam cleanser. This removes surface oils and residual product so treatments penetrate. Once done, hold a warm towel on your face for 1 to 2 minutes to open pores. This makes exfoliation and mask absorption more effective. Make sure to check labels for active ingredients. Avoid mixing strong acids with retinoids when prepping sensitive skin. You move into the core, exfoliate briefly, 30 to 60 seconds, using a light mechanical scrub or AHA wash to remove dead cells. This smooths texture and boosts absorption. Next, while skin is slightly damp, apply your chosen serum or treatment. Press it in with fingertips to enhance uptake rather than rubbing, which can irritate. Then spread your mask evenly, covering chin to forehead, and set a timer for the kit's recommended duration. This prevents overexposure and ensures you finish by rinsing thoroughly with lukewarm water and gently patting dry. This stops active ingredients working and prevents irritation. Immediately follow with a moisturizer to restore barrier function, and if it's daytime, apply SPF. Skin is more UV sensitive after treatments. At night, seal with an occlusive for hydration. If you experience redness or burning, rinse immediately, apply a cool compress, and skip actives for 48 hours. If severe, contact a professional. Keep the kit's instructions handy for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.